Ever wonder how some students barely study and still ace their exams while you're pulling all-nighters just to keep up? It's frustrating, right? But here's the truth. It's not about intelligence. It's about strategy. Those students aren't working harder, they're working smarter. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. First, pay attention in class, like actually pay attention. Most students think learning happens at home, but the smartest ones absorb 80% of the material right in the classroom. When you truly listen, ask questions, and engage, you reduce the time you'll need to study later. If you don't understand something, speak up. Don't sit there nodding like you get it when you really don't. Next, ditch the passive note-taking. Writing everything down mindlessly is a waste of time. Instead, use visual learning. Draw diagrams, mind maps, or even dumb little doodles. Your brain loves images more than words, and you'll remember way more without even trying. If you're not artistic, don't worry. Stick figures work just fine. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon, active recall. Instead of rereading your notes over and over, close your book and write down everything you remember. Then, check what you missed. This forces your brain to retrieve information, making it stick way better than just passively reading. The same goes for using flashcards or even teaching the topic to someone else. Another game changer is Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. If you tell yourself you have all day to study, you'll waste half of it procrastinating. But if you give yourself just 1 hour to master a topic, your brain kicks into high gear. Set strict time limits, and you'll be amazed at how much faster and more efficiently you learn. And here's something most people ignore. Use every spare moment wisely. Waiting in line? Review key concepts in your head. Walking to class? Listen to a podcast or an audiobook on the subject. Small bursts of learning throughout the day add up massively over time. Finally, prioritize sleep. You can't expect to function at full capacity if you're running on fumes. Sleep is when your brain processes and stores everything you've learned. Cramming at 2 a.m. might make you feel productive, but it's actually killing your ability to retain information. A well-rested brain absorbs knowledge effortlessly. Being that guy in class isn't about grinding 24/7. It's about using smarter techniques that cut your study time in half while keeping your grades sky high. So, which of these strategies are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing tips.